Hi students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Sri Academy online classes. My name is Pramod Kumar. Today we will discuss class 7th General Knowledge part 16. So let's start this video. Our green world in danger. Why our green world in danger? Because deforestation, acid rain, releasing CFC, releasing harmful gases, flame in the form of global warming, growing population and less space to live. These are the reason to our green world in danger. Answer the questions. Question number first, the CFC destroy the ozone layer. This statement true or false? Yes, CFC destroy the ozone layer. Question number 2, the ozone layer protect us from dash ray of the sun. Ozone layer protect us from UV means ultraviolet ray of the sun. Question number third, acid rain is caused by oxide of dash and dash. Acid rain is caused by oxides of sulfur and nitrogen. Sulfur and nitrogen. Question number 4, excessive minerals in river cause death of dash. Excessive minerals in river cause death of aquatic means aquatic animal. Excessive minerals in river cause death of aquatic animal. Say true or false. Question number 5, carbon monoxide produce maximum greenhouse effect. The statement is false. Carbon monoxide produces maximum greenhouse effect. This statement is false. After that, related to garbage, the factory and domestic waste which collect in heaps is to be destroyed to make the ground pollution free. Different articles are disposed by different method. Give one word substitutes or complete the sentences. Question number first. The well that is supplied with water rising due to the pressure of underground rock layer. The well that is supplied with water rising due to the pressure of the underground rock layer is called the artesian well. It's called artesian well. Question number 2. Farming without the use of synthetic fertilizer. Farming without the use of synthetic fertilizers is called organic farming. Organic farming. Question number 3. Decomposition of a substance by heating it to a high temperature in the absence of air. All tires are disposed of it this method. Means decomposition of substance by heating it to high temperature in the absence of air is called pyrolysis. Pyrolysis. Question number 4. Disposal of waste by burning. Disposal of waste by burning is called incineration. It's called incineration. Question number 5. An area surrounding a large city officially designed not to be built upon, it is left as an open space, is called green belt. It's called green belt. Question number 6. Liquid form a miniature composed mainly for organic matter. Liquid form of miniatures composed mainly of organic matter is called slurry. It's called slurry. Question number 7. Large scale management of trees for commercial and conservation purposes is called forestry. Large scale management of tree for commercial and conservation purpose is called forestry. Question number 8. Creation of deserts by change in climate या by human activities is called desertification. Creation of deserts by change in climate या by human activities is called desertification. Question number 9. Any type of fuel produced from organic matter. Any type of fuel produced by organic matter is called biofuel. Question number 10. The action taken by humans to protect and preserve the surrounding from pollution, wastage या other harmful activities is called conservation. The action taken by humans to protect and preserve the surroundings from pollution, wastage or other harmful activities is called conservation. Question number 11. Remember 4 S of waste. Remember 4 S of waste management. Question number 10. Do not burn the trash as the smoke causes pollution. Do not burn the garbage as the smoke causes pollution. Next, twist your brain. Solve the riddles. Question first. Name an ancient invention which is still used in some parts of the world that allow people to see through walls. That could it be? Window. Means this is the ancient invention which is still used in some parts of the world to allow people to see through walls. What could be it be? Answer is window. Question number 2. As Amit was going to Amritsar, he met a man with 2 wives. Each wife had 7 kids. Each kid has 2 sex. Each sex have 4 puppies. Now puppies, kids, sex, wives, how many were going to Amritsar? Only one person. Amit was going to Amritsar. Because all these people meet in journey but not go to Amritsar. So only one person go Amit. Question number 3. Can you name 4 days which start with letter T? Start letter T. Tuesday, Thursday, today and tomorrow. Question number 4. Can you throw a ball in such a way that after going for a short distance it comes to a total stop, then it reverses its motion and goes opposite way? You can not hit it against anything or tie it anything. Explain. This is called throw. Insert a word in the blank to complete the first word and begin in the second. Example here: paper, weight, lighter. Question first: arm, chair, cushion. Second: news, fill, paper, weight. Question number 3: cricket, you fill bat, ball. Fourth: suit, case, file, you fill case, file. Table, tennis, ball. Means these are the suitable words related to this. Hopefully all students understands all content of this video. Each and every student write on your copy and learn them. If you face any problem, contact my personal number. Thank you.